Hello, this is Alexander Cross, criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos. This is actually our 400th video that we've produced for criminal defense. Let's see here. So the inquiry we received today has to do with possession of drugs for sale. Let's see here. I was in the street and a guy walked up to me and asked me to sell him heroin. When I took it out, the police came and arrested me. Yeah. See, possession for sale of a controlled substance is a felony here in the state of California under Health and Safety Code 11351 that carries up to 4 years in state prison. Now, in this specific circumstance, because this may have been an undercover police officer, the amount of drugs that you had, the amount of heroin that you had, would essentially be irrelevant. Because if some guy walks up to you and say, "Hey, want to buy some heroin?" or "Are you carrying? Are you holding? You got heroin?" and you pull it out, even if it's a small amount, let's say it's for personal use, at that moment, it's very clear that you're manifesting intent to sell it or distribute it. So that would be in 11351 of the Health and Safety Code. Now, in a situation where it's not like a police sting where a cop asks you to buy heroin off of you, but let's say they just find the heroin on you, if it's just a small amount, that's not necessarily enough evidence to show that it's for sale, because it could just be for personal use. However, if they find heroin in separate little baggies, they find a scale, they get their hands on your cell phone, and there are multiple text messages where you're selling and buying, you have a payout sheet, all that circumstantial evidence can be put together to say, oh, wait a second, this guy is not just using personally, he is selling. And in these cases, it's very important to talk to an attorney as soon as possible, because the police will try to get to you to ask you questions about where are you getting your supply, because the police almost always will want to be able to get somebody who's higher up on the chain. And what you don't want is to be part of a hub and spoke conspiracy where there's like a main guy and a bunch of other people around, because then it could become a federal case where all of you could be charged very heavily based on a conspiracy theory. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court here in the San Francisco Bay Area, give us a call for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing a case of somebody who was accused of an attempted carjacking. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.